Hey, good morning guys. I hope everyone's having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this carbon fiber fuel door cover. No, I actually came across this company on Instagram. I saw their ad on Instagram and I saw they made a lot of carbon fiber pieces for Mustangs, Camaros, and Challengers. I've never bought anything from this company before, so I'm excited to see how it comes out. Now let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Kind of hard with one hand. Oh nice, it's actually pretty nice. Here it is in the sunlight, so you can actually see the weave. Now this isn't a complete replacement, it's just gonna stick on to the fuel door with this 3M tape that they provide. Now here's the actual door itself. Now to install it, it's really simple. All you're gonna need is rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel. Now all you're gonna need to do is just dampen the microfiber towel. And just go ahead and give her a good cleaning to remove any oils or contaminants that could possibly be on the surface. Now to put it on, you're just gonna open your fuel door, slide it in, and just close the door to align it. Just to get a visual of how it's gonna look. And now that you know where it's gonna go, now you're just gonna go ahead and remove the 3M tape. Oops. Now gently place it over. Close the fuel door. Just pop it in place. Just go around with your thumb to make sure it's pressed in. Now to install this piece is going to be a little bit tricky, because you're going to have to slide this in right here. So it's pretty much just going right here first on the little handle, then you're just going to go ahead and press it in. And that's pretty much how it's gonna sit. All right, so now pop the fuel door a little bit open and just slide it in. Click it in place. And that's pretty much it. Now on mine, I did notice I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but yeah, you can see it right there. It does scrape it a little bit. You do feel a little bit of resistance when you open it. It doesn't just swing open anymore. I think maybe I just didn't seat mine 100. Maybe make sure you seat this area first and then you go around and... Now this is it in the sun and it looks pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty bummed about these little scrapes right here, but I'll see maybe if I could fix it. But just something to look out for in case you guys decide on getting this. Now this is a day after the install, but I feel like the sun's a lot better today. And just look how clean it looks in the sunlight. Now that's gonna be it for this video. Just wanted to put it out there for anyone who's interested in this part. Now I'll leave this part in the description box below in case you guys are interested in getting it for yourselves. Now thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.